Speaking of heat, there's not a lot of that in the forecast. Zoe Mintz joins us live on this Saturday morning. And Zoe, obviously, I'm totally out of sorts. It's already December 1st. I don't know if it's Saturday or Sunday. It's just,
what year
can't believe we're here already.
I mean, honestly, is it 2025 yet? No, it's still 2024.
Don't need to rush there just yet.
Yeah, let's just enjoy what we're feeling right now. The warmer weather to kick off the day, especially compared to the freezing temperatures we were waking up to yesterday. The bigger issue is definitely the fog because a storm system is moving overhead, but it's a very weak storm system, a very dry storm system. Not going to do all too much in terms of bringing us any sort of moisture, just a little bit of the passing fog. We're looking at, again, air quality not going to be the greatest this afternoon, especially across our North Bay communities and down into the Santa Clara Valley. It's going to be unhealthy, especially for those sensitive groups, and it's likely going to stay that way through tomorrow. Right now, though, it is quiet, it is calm. You definitely see some more clouds in the sky that is blocking the view of some beautiful colors in the sky from that sunrise. The bigger issue, or the bigger thing that you probably noticed stepping out early this morning, are those warmer temperatures, 40s and 50s across the Bay Area compared to 20s, 30s and 40s that we were waking up to yesterday. Significantly warmer for places across the North Bay, 16 degrees warmer, and Petaluma no longer need that very warm winter jacket. But a warm jacket's still necessary nonetheless. You're still sitting in the 40s. Again, that storm system is bringing a little bit of rain and foggy conditions, maybe some misty conditions to the Central Valley and south of the Bay Area. And it does look like there is a little bit of activity up across our North Bay, but I really don't think any of that is actually reaching the ground. It might be trace amounts to maybe some misty conditions, but it's not going to impact your early Sunday morning commute. If you have anywhere to go, you don't have to give yourself extra time because of the rain. You might want to give yourself extra time because of the fog, especially up near Solano County, where that dense fog advisory is in effect. But again, I don't think a lot of this activity is actually going to be impacting anybody. It's just going to be a little bit foggier to kick off our day, especially compared to what we have been seeing over the past couple of days with very dry and beautiful weather. This afternoon is going to be much of the same. Temperature is actually going to be a couple of degrees warmer than yesterday. We're going to be sitting in the mid to upper 60s. In fact, we could reach 70 degrees in San Jose. Will be hovering right around 69, 70 this afternoon. As southern parts of the area are going to be seeing a lot more sunshine, going to be nearly 8 degrees above average, while the rest of the area still going to be a couple of degrees above normal. As that storm system bringing us some cloudier conditions early this morning, those clouds will clear into the afternoon. Definitely going to see some passing clouds today, but it's not going to be impactful, not going to bring us any sort of activity. A few more passing clouds into tomorrow, but it's going to be filled with a lot more sunshine tomorrow afternoon and into Tuesday. As warmer weather will arrive Monday and Tuesday as well, we'll be continuing to look at those temperatures upwards of 5 to 10 degrees above average, as an area of high pressure will continue to dominate the west coast. And you can kind of see that area of high pressure as it forms over the west coast. It's keeping away all of the cloud coverage. It's keeping away all of that rain and that activity in the Pacific Ocean, and it's kind of leaving us in the dust. So that's kind of going to be the name of the game over the next several days. So any travel plans, the biggest issue again is going to be that fog. We're not going to be seeing any more of those issues as we step out today in California, but something I have to point out is the lake effect snow up near the Great Lakes. So Lake Erie, Lake Ontario, seeing upwards of 20 to 40 inches of snowfall. So if you're planning on watching the 49ers game today, just want to let you all know it is going to be a snowy one. They are going to be very uncomfortable out there. But here over the next 7 days, California not going to be uncomfortable at all. This is why we live here. 60s for the first week of December. Enjoy a well above average temperatures and plenty of sunshine, quiet conditions to kick off the month. Back to you.
I'll take those 60s in December. Thank you, Zoe.